Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele futhi namhlanje ngalo mzuzu ngalesi sikhathi. Em Kunesihloko nje uNkulunkulu kade esitshala kakhulu enhlizweni yami, and I had a dream. Unfortunately, I have lost track of where I wrote this dream and especially the dates of this dream, but I remember it exactly as it happened. So isihloko sithi slaves of driving, slaves of driving. Slaves of driving izigqila zokushayela, izigqila zokushayela. So I had this dream between nje leli viki lamhla ka 15 to 21 April. It's just that I can't find it anywhere where I wrote it, but by the lead of the Holy Spirit I'll say umyalezo kaNkulunkulu, because he told me yesterday ukuthi I must write this down and actually produce umsebenzi ngalesi sihloko. So ephushweni sonke siyazi, ngifisa abantu aba-understand ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi uNkulunkulu ufika ngendlela yakhe ezotshengisa umsebenzi wakhe, ezofikisa umyalezo, whether ufika directly atshale izwi noma atshale umqondo, atshale understanding enhliziyweni nasengqondweni ngaleso sikhathi, noma usebenzisa iphupho, asebenzise isibonakaliso, asebenzise whatever angayisebenzisa ngaleso sikhathi, just so that umyalezo wakhe uzofinyelela uze ufike kubantwana bakhe. So ephusheni I saw a guy who is a taxi driver from around the place. And this was during working hours, emini. And ngimbona ngihlangana naye emgaqweni, and I'm like, hayi bo, smart man, iphi imoto, because uyasebenza wena ngalesi sikhathi futhi uyadrive. Avele athi, hayi bo, kanti akuphunyulwa yini? Yo, ngikhathele kabi mina. He just said those words, kanti akuphunyulwa yini? Yo, ngikhathele kabi mina. And immediately the Lord made me see ukuthi uyithathile imoto wayisusa ku-main road, uthe eqeda ukulayisha waqeda ukuthulula, wahamba wayipaka, wayifihla somewhere la kungangeni khona. It was like a small road nje ongena, kodwa la kungangeni khona iy'moto, because zihamba ku-main road zigcine kuphela like kunestophu, ebese yena ungena ngomgwaqo, uqhubeka ngomgwaqo, uhamba wayifihla imoto wase wayiwokhela emgwaqweni. And I'm like, no, what happened to the car? What did you do to the car? And it was like, ngikhathele kabi njalo. Yo, angeke ngikwazi. And the Lord made me understand by this dream, and ukuthi yazi ukuthi imphefumulo yabantu iyabubula, yazi ukuthi your inner self, your inner soul iyarekhoda, yazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uyazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngawo kusasa ngezinto ozenzayo, yazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uyagcina yonke into, whether into oyizwayo, oyikhulumayo, oyenzayo, ugcina yonke into, uyarekhoda. I quote from the Master's Voice ukuthi, and then yonke into uNkulunkulu, since uNkulunkulu ekwazi ukurekhoda yonke into, CCTV yasezulwini, nawe self you record yourself. That is why ngelinye ilanga uthola ukuthi usuhleli wedwa, uvele ibuye nje information, kuvele kubuye nje ulwazi ukuthi yazi ngosuku lokuthi ngenza ukuthi, yazi kumbe sengenza icala lokuthi. Masuhleli wedwa usujula, you remember everything because you have a record tape, a memory ngaphakathi kuwena, unalento egcina yonke into eyenzakalayo. That is why ngelinye ilanga akathi uNkulunkulu ngosuku lokwahlulela abantu ngeke baze babe nakho ukuzilandulela, ngeke baze babe nakho ukusho ukuthi Nkosi lo ngakwenza ngenxa 1 no 2 no 3, ngoba uzoyibuyela yona i-understanding, uzobuyela lona ulwazi ukuthi lalela, wafika wakushumayeza ivangeli lashunyela, wakutshela isibanibani wakasibanibani. Uyakhumbula ngosuku olukuthi, futhi uNkulunkulu ngiyazi adingi nokuthi azakutshela, uzozikhumbula wena self, uzozikhumbula wena ukuthi yazi ngampela ngashunyayezwa, wathi efika loya mama ethi uzongishumayeza, wathi efika loya sisi ethi uyanqonqoza, ngathi mina ngibhizi, ngathi mina ngisageza, ngathi mina ngisadla, ngathi mina ngibhizi ngiyahamba, ngathi ngisaphuthuma emsebenzini, ngasho this and that and that. Because umphefumulo wakho nje bungaphakathi sees everything. Uyabona ukuthi umzimba wakho uyisigqila kangakanani, uyabona ukuthi umzimba wakho ugqilazeke kangakanani, ugqilazwe lento oyenzayo each and every day, ugqilaze lento oyenzayo, uthi usebenzela imali, uthi usebenzela ukuziphilisa, uthi usebenzela ukuthi ukwazi ukuthola indlela yokuthi ukwazi ukuthola yonke into oyidinga. Uyazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho kumele ngabe zonke izinto uzithola kuNkulunkulu, uyazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho yonke into ivela kuBaba ohlala ekhaya ezulwini, but ngenxa yokuthi awenzi ngendlela uNkulunkulu ofuna ngayo, awenzi ngendlela uNkulunkulu akunakekela ngayo, awenzi ngendlela uNkulunkulu alindele ukuthi akusize ngayo, then umphefumulo wakho knows ukuthi it will suffer ngelinye ilanga. It knows. It understands. That is why umphefumulo uhlezi ububula, uhlezi ukhala. Even when with the drunkards, obadlula sebephuzile bephuze mina sebeyahlabelela. Why? Because imphefumulo yabo iyabubula deep from within, iyakhala elangazelela uNkulunkulu, iyakhala ngenxa yokugqila ekubona kulo mzimba. And umzimba uyabona ukuthi you are wasting time. Umzimba understand ukuthi njengamanje lento yenzayo imoshela wena isikhathi, and ingaphakathi lakho, sorry, your soul understand you are wasting your time by doing what you are doing with your body. You are wasting your time by doing what you are doing with your hands. You are wasting your time by doing what you are doing with your eyes. You are wasting your time by saying all these words enhlamba, by looking at the porn ngamehlo akho, by doing izinto zobumnyama ubulala igazi elingenacala ngezandla zakho, masturbating ngezandla zakho, typing that lies efonini yakho, utype umlungu wakho uthi ngiyagula namhlanje emsebenzini angizi, uqamba amanga. Uyakubona konke lokho and uyarekhoda zonke izona, uzirekhodela ngaphakathi kwi-tape ezothi ngelinye ilanga bese iyadlala ifilimu. Usho njalo umfundisi bani Mahlaba athi izodlala ifilimu. Ifilimu yakho izodlala ngakutshela ngelinye ilanga, because your soul understand, your soul can see what you are doing, your soul can see ukuthi you are busy wasting time. And kufana nomuntu ogulayo, like let's say you have mhlambe isifo samaphaphu, isifo se-asthma or whatsoever. Uze ukuthi lento nayi sekubhlungu usuyezwa, and uvele utshela abantu ukuthi sacela ningiphuthumise eclinic noma esibhedlela manje. Uvele umuntu omtshelile avele ashonele nale athi hayi ngisabhizi ngisadla. You know, you the one who understand ukuthi ngiyagula, ngiyayizwa lento ibhlungu, ipressa wena. Wena uzwela lo buhlungu, wena uzwela le pain njengamanje, and ngokuzwa kwakho le pain, you are the only one who understand ukuthi ifila kanjani. You are the only one who understand ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani if le pain le ngingatholi igesi as quickly as possible, if le pain ngingafaki isifutho sami as quickly as possible. You the one who understand, but the other person doesn't understand. The other person doesn't know. Bona bazoqhubeka nje bawesikhathi sabo ngendlela abangasiwesta ngayo, bengakuphuthumise eclinic bese ufela khona lapha emotweni, bengakuphuthumise la kumele ufinyelele khona ukuze uthole usizo bese uyafela khona lapha. So umphefumulo wakho ngaphakathi uya understand ukuthi uyofela emanyaleni ngelinye ilanga. Umphefumulo wakho uya understand ukuthi wena izenzo zakho zizokwenza ubhujiswe ngelinye ilanga, kodwa uyazama ukuthi unokhe kuwena, uyazama ukuthi ukutshele by listening to umoya kaNkulunkulu ukutshela ukuthi no ungebi, no ungebi, bese wena weba ngenkani. But your soul felt, even for a person ogulayo uzakhale, akhale because yena uyayizwa lento, yena uya-understanda lento. Usabathe uyacela, ngiyacela ningiphuthumise, ngiyacela bandla. Bantu bangabi nandaba, bakushaya indiva konke lokho, bangayizwa nje indaba yakhe. Asabathe uyacela, akekho umzwayo, akekho nendaba, akekho futhi but abantu they're so busy with whatever. So umzimba ngale nkathi uwondla kakhulu, ngenkathi udla kakhulu, ngale nkathi wenza izinto ezinakekela umzimba, umphefumulo wakho uyavaleleka, uyacindezeleka in such a way that kuthi noma umphefumulo wakho usuzama ukunokha ukutshela iqiniso, uzama ukunokha ukutshela into ezokusiza, uzama unokha ukutshela into ezokuphulukisa, into ezokwenza uthole ukuthula, into ezokwenza uthole ukuphila okuphakade ngelinye ilanga, ebese uyawuvala wena. Ithi khala ingane, ithi ilambile, bese uthi awume kancane uyivale ngeDanone. Imagine iDanone izoyisuthisa. Uthi umphefumulo wakho ulambele uNkulunkulu bese ufunda ivesi elilodwa uthi ohamba ngobuqotho emesaba uNkulunkulu, usuqedile, usuyalala. Umphefumulo wakho lapho umlangazelelana uNkulunkulu, lapho udinga ukuthi ufunde at least 5 chapters khona uzokwazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uthole lokho okudingayo kwasekhayizweni, khona uzokwazi ukuthi umphefumulo wakho uthole ubaba ohlala ekhayizweni, khona uzokwazi ukuthi uqonde wenze intando kaNkulunkulu nangomzimba wakho. But because you are so used to feeding your body and making your body be more than your spirit and making your body be more, your soul will suffer, and your soul is always worried about that. Your soul is always worried ukuthi izosafarisha ngalinye ilanga, because yona iyastorisha information, yona iyastorisha yonke into, iyazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. You know that. You know for a fact. You understand that deep within. Nango umuntu uyafika uzoshumayela, ulethe izwi kaNkulunkulu, uqala ukuthula, ucabanga inkinga Nkosi yami ngiyawasha, inkinga. Ibisolo yakhe izokutshela ngamtshela ukuthi no man, ungihamba kancane ukuwasha, yazi ngeke ahlale isikhathi eside, just 20 minutes uthole izwi kaNkulunkulu uphulukiswe. Leli zwi lizosiza wena uvela uthi ayi ngiyawasha ngcono ubuye ngelinye ilanga. Kanti ngeke aze aphinde abuye loyo muntu loyo ngoba bethunyelwe uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi esi-right esifanelekile for wena. Lokho kuwasha kwakho lokho kuzokusiza ngani? Cause nangakusasa ungawasha, nangakusasa ungawasha, nangakusasa ungawasha. So why do you have to choose izinto ezizokulimaza ngaso sonke isikhathi? Why do you have to always and constantly choose isono esizobulala wena ngaphakathi? Your soul is always worried, yes. Slaves of driving. Nasi isihloko sethu. That guy's soul is worried about him. That guy's soul is worried ukuthi uyofela efele udriver. Cause empilweni yakhe ayikho into ayenzayo eveza ukuthi usondelana noNkulunkulu. Ayikho into ayenzayo eveza ukuthi uyakhuleka. Ayikho into ayenzayo eveza ukuthi uyazisindisa, uyaziphulukisa. You know, there've been many experiences nje. I want to share this here. Sorry, if it won't be relevant or kubantu abaningi they're not gonna take it as good, but I hope kunomyalezo ezoveza. You know, there's this time one day la khona uNkulunkulu wake wangithuma in this home. And lapha yasifike nje sifunde kamnandi ngezi kaNkulunkulu, sifunde nje as many days besilibele samkeleka, silibele sihlangana kuba mnandi. So masilibele sifunda up until one day athi umama wakuleya muzi, ayike mntanami ngiyacela nje ukuthi vele thina sonta enkonzweni ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi uze la ekhaya, siyamazi uNkulunkulu. And okay, I accepted that and I went back home. But fortunately enough, the boy's soul came in my dream. Wathi how awusafiki ngane ekhaya, how indaba ungasafiki sofundiswa kaNkulunkulu. Why? Because his soul understand ukuthi umfana udinga kangakanani izwi. But uma wakho uthe cha angisakudingi la endlini yami, cha angisakudingi la emzini wami. Kodwa umfana umphefumulo wakho ulebela unoka uthi mbize, libize lela lizwi, ubize lokuyakuthula, libize leliyaqinisa, ubize lokuyakhanya, kubize konke lokho ngoba siyakudinga thina la sisemzimbeni. Siyakudinga ukuphulukisa, siyakudinga ukuthi sifunde, sazi ukuthi kumele sizisize kanjani, sazi ukuthi kumele senze ini nini. Singalibele sibe isigqila sesono, singalibele sibe isigqila samaskande, sibe isigqila sabazali, sibe isigqila semsebenzi, semali, semfebo, sako konke okukhona lapha emhlabeni. But sidinga iqiniso ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi lisisize, lipenetrate yonke into, lisuse eyisona, lisuse kungcola, so that sizokwazi ukuthi sibonane noNkulunkulu ngelinye ilanga. But ngokuthi umzali wakhe wathi cha akusenzeki lokho, ngathi ngifika kuleli khaya and I asked the boy, I told him ukuthi leli phupho li represent ukuthi wena umdinga kangakanani uNkulunkulu, but umbuzo uthi wena uthini ngoba kuzolala kuwena. Ngidinga your permission to carry on and come sifundisane ngezwi kaNkulunkulu, or you can tell me to go and never come back. And the boy was like, ayi sekhulumile uma. And abantu, they're so good ekucimeni imphefumulo yabo, they're so good ekucimeni umoya kaNkulunkulu. Lapha imphefumulo yabo understand ukuthi bakudinga kangakanani. Lapha imphefumulo yabo understand it is so worried. I-worried ngabo, ikhathazekile. Because yena emehlweni akhe enyama akaboni lutho, emehlweni akhe enyama akanake lutho, emehlweni akhe enyama uziba kwasana. Akazi lutho and akazi lutho ngampela. But your soul, because you understand, yamazi uNkulunkulu, iyalazi iqiniso, iyazi ukuthi futhi, and your soul, into ebalulekile abantu kumele bayazi ngesoul yakho ukuthi iya understand ukuthi izobhubha uma wenza 1 no 2 no 3. That is why ngaso sonke isikhathi emphefumulweni wakho kuzohlezi kuhlala kugxila izwi leqiniso elizokutshela ukuthi no, ungaphuzi, ungakwenzi namhlanje, elizozama ukukuvima, because liya understand ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani mawuqhubeka uyenza lento. Ya understand ukuthi uma usufa umzimba wakho ithuna selidla, umphefumulo wakho uzoya ekubhujisweni same time. Your soul knows that. Your soul understand that. Your soul knows God. And your soul knows ukuthi ukuze ngabonani noNkulunkulu kuzomela ukuthi ngenze ukuthi, ukuze ngibone noNkulunkulu kuzomela ukuthi ngenze ukuthi. Na kuyafika ekhaya emzini thizeni kwamakhelwane wakho, uyafica umama wakhona, uthi uzobona ubaba wakhona, uzokhuluma naye, akutshela ukuthi ilalela ke mntanami, ukuze ubone ubaba la ekhaya uzodinga ukuthi ugqoke isiketi. Akabona nje ubaba la ekhaya ugqoke ibhulukwe, awuhloniphi, ngcono ubuyele emuva uhambe ugqoke isiketi. Ebese ithi ingane yakhona, hayibo ayikho lento, asikho isidingo sokuthi yenze lento. Nakho nje nami ngiyagqoka ibhulukwe. asho ecacisile umama ukuthi kumele wenze kanje. Because umama understand ubaba better. Umama understand ubaba better ukuthi wonke umuntu oyisivakashi la ekhaya kumele agqoke ahlobe indlela thizeni to show irespect kuleli gceke, to show irespect kuwona wonke umuntu and to show respect kubaba directly. The reason why ingane la ekhaya ithi yona iyaligqoka, it is because ubaba condones abantwana bakhe ngoba uyabathanda. Hello, masebukhoneni bakhe engenza nanoma yini ayithandayo ngabo, but wena wangaphandle, wena you need to show a certain criteria so that you can come and see the father of this house. And uyazi ubaba ukuthi izingane zala ekhaya noma zikugqoka lokho ezigqokayo vele they will reach a certain point. Thola ukuthi utshela ingane na 5 ukuthi ungaligqoka ibhlukwe ina 5 lengane, uyazi ubaba ukuthi lengane leli bhlukwe iziyoliyeka masisi na 13 noma masisi ithombile or whatever, masisi 18 or 14 or 15, uyazi masisuka isina 5 isizokutshela wena ukuthi asikho isidingo, wena uzokwenza njani, uzothi hayi asikho isidingo, ingane ithe ngikaligqoka ibhlukwe, uzothi mama lalela ngithe mina ubaba wala ekhaya kumele kwenziwe njani, qale phansi kuchazelwe wena. And njengamanje uNkulunkulu vele sikwi-period la khona ebhizi bachazela abantu yonke into. Njengamanje njengoba ngimla ngifana nomuntu okuchazela ukuthi ngifana naloya mama ukuchazela ukuthi lalela phela ubaba la ekhaya Nkosi yami, yazi ukuthi kubantu abangaphandle akathandi ngoba njengamanje njengoba una 25 nje ugqoka ibhlukwe ufana nomuntu wesifazane ongamhloniphi. Lo oyingane ubekutshela okungokwakhe. Lo oyingane naye vele usazoliyeka akaka-understand kwayena. So iqiniso kaNkulunkulu uya-understand uNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu abalazi abaliqondi. So uzama ngakho kusemandleni ukuthi agcize acindezele umphefumulo wakho ukuze ukutshela ukuthi no man, ungabhemi ngoba uyazi ukuthi uma ubhema you will have a problem, you have lung cancer. Uyazi ukuthi uma ubhema uzibulala wena ingaphakathi lakho. Sonke siyazi ukuthi i-suicide isona ngithi committing a suicide. And uNkulunkulu ufisa abantu bacaciseleke ba-understand ukuthi akakhulumi ngale suicide yokuzilengisa kuphela, akakhulumi ngale suicide yokuphuza amaphilisi kuphela, ukhuluma nangale suicide yokufaka usawoti ekudleni kwakho. You are suiciding yourself because you are killing yourself bit by bit. Ukhuluma ngale suicide yokuphuza utshwala because you are committing suicide by killing yourself bit by bit. Omunye nje usekwangibuza ukuthi hayi buburo ngani utshwala. And I told her ukuthi if you say right, there's nothing wrong with it. Njengamanje ke ngicela usuke la uhambe uyoma phezulu kwekesi uthathe intambo uzilengise. And wavela uthi hawu ngeke ngizibulale kanjani. Ngikathi and I was like, yazi you are doing the same thing. Ukuthi uphuza utshwala, inkinga njengoba uphuza utshwala ukwenza kancane but you are still doing the same thing. Uyafana nomuntu ozilengisayo, uyafana nomuntu ophuza amaphilisi, uyafana nomuntu ozibulalayo kodwa ukwenza kancane. How about ukwenze fast usheshe uqede ngoba uyayibulala vele? How about you do it so quick? And she was like, angeke. And I was like, stop it. Ziningi izono ezikhona la emhlabeni odinga umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ukufundise ngazo, odinga umoya kaNkulunkulu ukuthi ukusize ngazo. Your soul is worried. Your soul wants to save you. Your soul wants to help you. Ngoba iyazi izophelela phi. Iyona efila bonke ubuhlungu. Ngale nkathi uhleba iyona understandayo ukuthi ukuhleba wema sofa. Untshontshe understand ukuthi hawu ma ungatshontshe. Uthi uyawutshela umzimba ungatshontshe, untshontshe ngenkani. Bese yazi awe masizofa. Your soul knows. Akuthiwa nisele ekhaya nebo 5. Ekhaya athi ningahambi, ningaphumi. Mekwaphuma oyedwa nje wahamba, ngizofika ngingishaye nonke. Cabanga. Avele oyedwa athi ngiyaphuma mina. Niyomncenga nimudonsi, awu mfethu ungahambi, mfethu ungahambi, athi hayibo ngiyahamba mina. And ukuhamba kwakhe niyazi ukuthi nizoshawa nonke. Ngenkani yakhe. Ngoba unenkani yena. Ngoba akalaleli yena. So kanjalo indaba. Your soul understand. Your soul knows ukuthi umzimba lokho okwenzayo yonke into izosafarisha. Uyazi ukuthi and uyazama ukutshela umzimba ndini. Umzimba ungalaleli, umzimba ungakhochiwe idiscipline, umzimba ungazi ukuthi kumele uthobele kanjani, kumele ulalele kanjani. Because umzimba wakho uze uwenze zonke lezi zinto ngoba wena udryzile ngokudla okudlayo. Because ukudla okudlayo sekuqhuba imizwa yakho kakhulu, kwenza ukukhanuke kakhulu, nokudla kakhulu futhi kwenza ukuthi umzimba wakho ngaso sonke isikhathi ungathobeki, kodwa uhlezi ufuna lokho okufunayo. Bese uyakhala umphefumulo wakho ngaphakathi ububule ngezinto ozijwayeza zona. And then iqiniso lithi liyafika, lithi likutshela ukuthi ayi bo uzofa uma kwenza ukuthi ungalaleli isitili, ungathobeki isitili. And another thing, you must understand ukuthi you must let God be the planner of yonke into. Let God plan your day. Let God plan your tomorrow. Let God plan everything for you. Because ngale nkathi uziplanela wena, ufuna ukuzenzela wena yonke into. Kanti akuyona into uNkulunkulu akuhlelele yona leyo. Ugcina usuhlala kuyona, ugcina usuyisigqila sayo, usuyisilebe sayo. And uzoqala into wena uthi yazi ngicabanga ngokwakhe endaweni yokuthi immediately, instantly ugijima uyokhanda isiza, uspend your money. Kanti uNkulunkulu was not there at all for any second. Uthi uyarealize uNkulunkulu akunikeze something else, avela akunikeze umsebenzi le kude. Lesesiza kwenzakaleni ngaso? Sesisele kanjalo. But if you let God be the planner, wabekezela wathobeka, bungeke usakhe lesasiza. Bungeke uzuyenze leyo nto leyo. Ubuzozimoshela wena isikhathi. Because God knows you better than you. God knows you inside. God knows your tomorrow. Don't start anything for yourself. Because uqala into kanti ayikufanele. Kufana nabaningi umoya kaNkulunkulu ufinyelela kubo. They start bavangele, benze yonke into, bafaste, bahambele imizi, benze konke abakuthandayo. Bahambe base beyakhathala. Because benze ngokuthanda kwabo. Benze ngokucabanga kwabo. Benze ngamandla abo. Benze ngokushiseka kwabo. People, yonke into iyakhulekela uNkulunkulu. Yonke into iyacelwa uNkulunkulu. Yonke into iyanxuswa uNkulunkulu. Because uNkulunkulu waziyo. uNkulunkulu who can see your strengths, who can see your weakness, who can see ukuthi how far you can go, who can see ukuthi how far you can get, who can see ukuthi what do you need to do. Because uhlola inhliziyo yakho, ahlola amandla akho, ahlola isikhathi sakho, ahlola i-environment yakho. Ukuthi umakhelwane wakho unesikhathi sonke yena sokuthi enze izinto. Ngoba unengane eyodwa. Ukuthi uhleze enemali yena. Ngoba uhlala yedwa emqashweni. Bona nihlala niba u-10 kini. How do you expect ukuthi na uhlezi unemali? Because yakhe imali kumele ihlezi ithenga isinkwa la endlini. Yakhe imali kumele ihlezi ithenga ukudla la endlini. Yakhe imali kumele inakekele izingane, izinikeze izingane imali yokukhera la endlini. So ningazifanisi ngabantu. So nje mase ngigoqa nje lo myalezo namhlanje. Nokushayela ama-taxi. Umuntu aqeda isikole azitshela ukuthi okay, this is the work that I need to do. Ayikho into engayenza. Wona umsebenzi okhona. Wona umsebenzi engofarisha wona. Ngoba umalume wami naye bewu-driver nami ngizoqhubeka ngibe u-driver. Kanti uNkulunkulu akuhlelelanga lokho. Kanti uNkulunkulu bengakubekelanga lokho. Uhambe kuyoshayela, umoshe isikhathi sakho. Uze ube isigqila sakho. And people can drive for many years. Ashayele for as many years as they can. Agcine seyisigqila sakho. And from that guy in that dream, usekhathele, akasathandi. And nomphefumulo wakhe uyazi ukuthi akasathandi. Because lo driver kwakhe kumbhizi kumoshela isikhathi. Ngaso sonke isikhathi into ayicabangayo yena upetrol. Into ayicabangayo yena abantu. Into ayicabangayo yena inyama edliwa lapha emarenke. Into ayicabangayo nje uhleze semsindweni. Uhleze sexokozeleni. Uhleze sezindaweni ezingekho right. La khona umphefumulo wakho ungeke wakuthola ukuthula. La khona umphefumulo wakho ungeze wamthola uNkulunkulu. Noma umthola mhlawumbe abantu beshumayela ema-taxini, emabhasini, but uthola nje a glimpse. It's just like reading one verse. Bese phinde uyakhohlwa futhi. So let God be the planner of your life. Allow God to plan your life so that you won't be a slave of something ozenzele wena yona. Wangena kuyona, wayibona ijwayeleka, wayibona ingcono. Athi noma sefika uNkulunkulu ethi uzokukhanyisela, ethi uzokuphulukisa kuyona yonke lento, ube ungasafuni ukuphuma because you are already a slave. I tell you today umphefumulo wakho uya-understand ukuthi uyisigqila. I tell you today umphefumulo wakho uya-understand ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngawe kusasa if ungafuni iqiniso, if ulibalekela, if you are constantly busy with some things ezikhona la emhlabeni. You are busy wena transporting people, kuzokusiza ngani? Wawudalelwe lokho yini la emhlabeni? You are constantly wena in very very loud spaces, loud company, loud environment. Uhlezi udlala umsakazo, udlala iradio. Umphefumulo wakho uthola nini ukuthula? Uthola nini ukwazana noNkulunkulu? Uthola nini? Ngoba umphefumulo wakho uyakhala, uyabobula, uyazi ukuthi lento eyenzakala empilweni yakho njengamanje, uyazi ukuthi konke omusha isikhathi ngakho, umushela isikhathi umphefumulo wakho ukuthi wazana noJesu, umushela isikhathi umphefumulo wakho ukuthi uphulukiswe, umushela isikhathi umphefumulo wakho ukuthi usindiswe ngelinye ilanga. So this is a very short message. uNkulunkulu athi angidlulise namhlanje ukuthi your soul understands. Your soul is worried. Your soul can see ukuthi uyisigqila. Your soul can see ukuthi uyislave saleyo nto leyo. Uyisigqila sokudriver, umshayeli. Uyisigqila sokudriver, udrive long distance. Awufundanga lutho osukwini. Awufundanga lutho, ubhizi driver nje. Usemgaqweni. Usemgaqweni. Umphefumulo wakho ukhathasekile ngawo. Umphefumulo wakho uyakhala, uyabobula. Umphefumulo wakho uyadinga uJehova. Umphefumulo wakho uyadinga ukusindiswa. Umphefumulo wakho uyadinga ukuphulukiswa. Umphefumulo wakho uyadinga ukuthi kube uNkulunkulu umhleli wayo yonke into. Ngoba one day you will be in a car accident and you are always at risk because uhlezi usemgaqweni wena. Uhlezi uku-freeway wena. Uhlezi ushaya speed wena. Because the more you get used to this thing, the more futhi uzofuna ukuthi uyiveze ukuthi mina I drive better than the other person. Bese ushaya speed. Ni race nomngane wakho. Ni race uyi-405 ne-421. Ni race emgaqweni nihlangane lapha kuleya mgaqo leya ni race kanti yila usuzofa khona. And the more umphefumulo wakho ukhala unoka kakhulu, usuke usuwazi ukuthi isikhathi siyancipha, isikhathi siseduze, because everything in the spiritual and everything in the realm understand. Everything in the realm understand ukuthi isikhathi sincane kangakanani, isikhathi sifishane kangakanani. That is why uzohlezi unoka. That is why uzohlezi ukutshela ukuthi no, phumula. That is why umphefumulo uyabhuda. Ukhala uthi ngikhathele. Ethatha imoto efihla, imoto yomsebenzi. Ethi ngikhathele. Your soul is tired. It is tired of your body not obeying the law of God. It is tired of your body not obeying the Lord. Odalile izwe nomhlaba. Because the more it doesn't obey the Lord, it's the more it's dying. It's the more sibeka emathubeni ukuthi bhujise ngelinye ilanga. The more you do not obey, the more you do not listen, the more you do not spend your time at church. It's reading your scripture. It's praying. It's fasting. So people stop being slaves of many things as khona la emhlabeni just because zibekiwe nje as a form of ukuthi indlela yokusurvive. It's not. The form of surviving, it is by Christ. The form of surviving, it's by knowing God. The form of surviving, it's by knowing the truth and living the truth. And only the truth will set you free. So since you are a slave of that thing, since you are a slave of that driving, since you are a slave of that whatever, oyisigqila sayo, iqiniso laNkulunkulu kuphela ngakuphulukisa. Iqiniso likaJesu kuphela ngakusindisa. Iqiniso likaJesu kuphela elithandayo, elikunakekelayo. So zikhulule manje, wamukela uJesu njengenkosi nomsindisi. Wenza intando kaNkulunkulu. Khona uzophulukisa, khona uzobona umbuso wezulu ngelinye ilanga. Khona umphefumulo wakho uzothola ukuthula. Khona umphefumulo wakho uzothola ukukhanya. Khona umphefumulo wakho uzothola ukusindiswa. Khona umphefumulo wakho uzothola injabulo engapheliyo ngaso sonke isikhathi. uJehova uNkulunkulu babahlala ekhaya ezulwini uyanibiza. Uyanibiza nani bashayeli emathekisini, bo-taxi driver, bo-taxi owner. Lezi zinto eniy'bambayo, it's not it. Nizofela khona, ibhama amavolovolo lama ngako niwaphathayo. It's not it. Nizofela khona. The Lord is calling you. He's calling you every day. He's calling everyone. He's calling every soul. He's calling every individual. So come back to the Lord. Come back to ubaba wakho. Ngoba umbuso wezulu ususondele. Umhlaba uyabhubha manje bantu. People die every day. Umhlaba uyagoqa njengamanje. Asithathe abaqoqa baso. So noNkulunkulu uyazama ukuthi abantu bakhe babuyele kuyena. Ngoba uyabathanda, uyabalangazelela, ufuna ukubanakekela, ufuna ukubasiza. Ngoba imphefumulo yabo iya understand ukuthi badinga usizo kangakanani. There is uNkulunkulu eportray imiyalezo even with topics efuna ukuthi ingene igxile ngqo kubantu ukuthi njengoba wenza ukuthi uzofa, njengoba uphila kanje uzobhubha. Kodwa nayo intuba Jesu Kristu, nayo intuba ukubhabhadiswa, nayo intuba ukwenza intando kaNkulunkulu, nayo intuba ufunda izwi, nayo intuba ukwenza okuthandekayo nokukhulula umphefumulo wakho. Inkosi nje nibusise kakhulu. Ezinye izinkundla zokuxhumana uTikTok, uFacebook, la khona ama-video, the same videos on TikTok, and there's also writings whereby the Lord lead me to write ngesiZulu for everyone to understand yonke into. And then there's also Instagram, which is the same videos from TikTok. So uLihle Themba lo, inkosi ibe nani, inisize niphulukiswe, ningakhohlwa uNkulunkulu wesizonda isono, uNkulunkulu emthanda ubulungiswa nobungcwele. Inkosi nibusise kakhulu. uJesu uyabuya uzolanda bonke abangcwele abenza intando kaBaba uNkulunkulu. Zibuza ukuthi uyayenza yini, zibuza ukuthi ungakuliphi iside, zibuza ukuthi uzosinda yini kulolu laka olukhulu kangaka oluzayo. Kodwa intuba ithi ngoba usaphila, lihle ithemba ngempilo yakho. Buyisana noJesu inkosi yakho, buyisana noJesu umsindisi wakho, uziphulukise, uzisize. uJehova uyanibiza nonke, uyanilangazelela. Ibani nosuku oluhle. Inkosi ibe nani kuze phakade. Amen.